Welcome to Upskills Hub, the best hub located in Ramera, near the Grand Legacy Hotel, the premier destination for transformative growth. Upskills Hub is dedicated to empowering the youth by providing them with top-tier IT training, invaluable internships, and expert website creation services. Web development. We design websites that are not only visually appealing, but also highly functional and SEO-friendly. Software training. At Upskills Hub, we offer hands-on training designed to equip you with the skills needed to excel in today's fast-paced digital world. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your expertise, our training programs are tailored to meet your needs. Back-end development. At Upskills Hub, our back-end development course equips you with essential skills to excel in the tech industry. You'll gain proficiency in programming languages like Python and Java, learn to manage databases using SQL and NoSQL, and master API development with RESTful and GraphQL standards. Build secure server-side applications and master database management with frameworks like Node.js. Microsoft Office training. Enhance your skills in Word, Excel. Dear students, we're excited to announce our upcoming opportunities designed to help you build essential skills and gain hands-on experience in technology. Training programs. Our training programs focus on equipping you with the knowledge and skills to excel in the tech industry. Front-end development training. Learn to create responsive websites using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, and more. Back-end development training build. Secure server-side applications and master database management with frameworks like Node.js. Thanks for your time. It's Upskills team.